So today we are going to study about the similar shapes and how to find the area or volume if the sides of the two shapes are given to us. So first of all, we already have studied that, for example, if we have been given two similar shapes or two triangles, saying that ABC triangle is similar to PQ and R. So we can say that the side AC, let me take another pen. So this side AC is similar to the PQ. So we can say that the side AC over side PQ is equal to the ratio of the side of CB over RQ. So that CB over RQ is equal to the ratio of the sides AB over PQ. AB over PQ. So this is the way we find it out. Now, why all the sides ratio are equal to each other? The reason is that the units of the side may be centimeter, may be inches, may be meter, or so on. So since all the sides have the same units, so they are equivalent to each other. Now, whenever we talk, we have been given the sides, but we are asked you to find out the unknown area. So for example, if we say that the two triangles, same thing, ABC are given to us and PQR are given to us. Now, for example, one of the side AC and PR. So AC, so let's suppose it's 2 and PR is 6 is given to us. And we say that the area of triangle 1 ABC is given to us, that is 12 centimeter square, and the sides units are centimeter. And you are asked to find the area of triangle PQR. So in such case, what you will do? You must know that the side AC and the PR are similar. So we can say that the ratio of side AC and PR, we can write the smaller triangles ratio on the top and the bigger triangles at the bottom, equals to the area of ABC. Of course, this is the side of ABC. So write on the top area of ABC over, you don't know the area of X. But here the units are centimeter square for the area. So how can the centimeter could be equals to centimeter square? So for that reason, you square both the lengths. So the square of the lengths of the two similar triangles are equals to the area ratio of the two triangles or the given triangles. So similarly, we know that the formula of the volume is written in the centimeter cube. So if two sides are given in the form of the ratio as 2/6, and if volume of one of the triangle, for example ABC, is given to you as 48, for example 48 centimeter cube, and you have to find the volume of the triangle PQR. So here you will write 48 and here you will write X. Now volume has the units cube. So that's why you will cube the sides to make them equal or equivalent to each other. So let's try and check again the formula. If you want to find the length ratio, then you will write as it is the lengths. Take the ratio of the lengths. If you want to find the area ratios, so you have to square the lengths. And for finding the volume ratio, you will take the cube of the lengths. Let's try this question. So here below are the two similar triangles, triangle A and triangle B. The area of triangle A is 20 centimeter square. So first of all, tell me what is the length of, for example, we are writing here the length about the A, and we are writing here about the triangle B. So keep this in the mind. And now let's talk about the length. What is the length of the A? 10 centimeter. What is the length of the B? That is 20 centimeter. And now they are asking you to find the area of length B of triangle B. So triangle B is written at the bottom or in the denominator. So write the X. Area is 20 centimeter square. So here power 2, right? Here centimeter is square. So on the length it's centimeter, centimeter. So what you do? You just make it square. Now you are done. So this square is on the 10. This square is on the 20. So 10 square means 100. Means 10 times 10. 10 square. 20 square means 400. Because 20 times 20 equals to 20 over x. Now cross multiply 100 times x. So you write 100x on the left hand side. I prefer to write the x always on the left hand side. Equals to 20 times 400. Just show here 20 times 400. Now we have to determine the x. So divide both sides by 100. So these hundreds cancelled out. Now these two zeros cancel out with these two zeros. So x equals to 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 20, it's 80. And since we are finding the area, so it is centimeter square. Area always be given in the square form. I hope that you understood this question. Let's try the same kind of the question in another figure. Now here the two similar parallelograms are given to us. Again, first of all, the parallelogram A and also the parallelogram B. Write them in the ratio form. Write the lengths. Length is 3 and 4.5. Okay, given. Here now it's centimeter and this is also centimeter, so that we do not forget, we write the units also. Now area of parallelogram A is 41 centimeter square. So in the numerator write 41 centimeter square. The second parallelogram B's area you don't know. So it is x centimeter square. Once we are done, now here centimeter square and on the length centimeter. So what we will do? We will square the lengths, because make sure that the units are same. So for that reason we square. So it will become, now this is square in the numerator, this is square is in the denominator. So we have 3 times 3. We have 3 times 3 equals to, so we have 3 times 3, that is 3 square equals to 9, over 4.5 times 4.5, it will gives you 20.25. You can use the calculator also, equals to 41 over x. Now cross multiply. As I told you, I prefer to write the x on the left hand side. So I multiply x by 9, which gives me 9x equals to 41 times 20.25. Divide both sides by the 9. Divide both sides by the 9 and we will get here, using the calculator, we will get 92.25. And for the area, we need the units in the form of square. So this is our answer. Now let's try to understand this thing. Two cylinders A and B are mathematically similar. Okay, the height of B, let's see here. Okay, height of B is corresponding to is twice the corresponding height of A. Means height of B is twice the height of A. What do we mean by that? That if the height of A is 1, the height of B is 2 times 1, which gives us 2. Get it? So height is 1 and here the height is 2 because it is twice the height of A. So it means that A is to B are given in the ratio of 1:2. So again make it here A and here B. Write the A as 1, write the B as 2. Now here they are saying the surface area of A is 22 centimeter square. So if the area is in centimeter square, so length or the height of the cylinders are given in the form of centimeter. So here area A is 22 centimeter square. You have to find the area of B. So it is x centimeter square. As we know, to make the units alike, we square the lengths or the heights. So 1 square means 1 and 2 square means 4 equals to 22 over x. Cross multiply x times 1 gives you x equals to 22 times 4 will gives us 88 centimeter square. So this is the surface area of the B cylinder. Now here also the same thing. Cylinder X and cylinder Y are mathematically similar. The length of cylinder X is 6 centimeter and the length of cylinder Y is 9 centimeter. The volume of cylinder X is 50 centimeter cube and you have to find the volume of the cylinder to 2 decimal places. It means after the point you have to take 2 decimals. Okay, now it's also the same thing. First of all, write the lengths of X, write the length of Y. So X is 6 centimeter. The length of the Y is 9 centimeter. Here we have been given the volume of X is 50 centimeter cube. We need to find the volume of the Y, that is X centimeter cube. Make it like that. Now here you can see that the units are cube. So for make these lengths also convert these lengths unit into cube. So take the cube on these lengths. Now it is 6 cube. So you can 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6. So it will gives you 216 centimeter cube over 9 cube. It means 9 into 9 into 9, which will gives you 729. And now here 50 over x. Cross multiply. So 216 times x equals to 729 times 50. Remove the 216 by dividing on both sides. And now you can use the calculator to calculate the amount. So write in the calculator 729 times 50 and divide it by 216 and you will get 168.75 what centimeter cube. The reason is that you are finding the volume of B. So it is 168.75 centimeter cube. Now let's see that what they are asking us in next question. Work out the surface area of shape B. First of all, A point. Two solid shapes A and B are mathematically similar. The base of A is a circle with radius 3 cm. The base of shape B is 6 cm. The surface area is 210 centimeter square. Not to worry about if they are giving you the centimeter, if they are giving you the length, radius, diameter, whatever they are giving you, the main purpose is to make the units alike, so that it would help you to decide whether you are squaring the length or the radius or the diameter, or you are cubing them. So here the radius of the A is given to you and radius of B is given to you as 3 and 6. Now surface area of A is 210 centimeter square. Don't forget to write here the units so that to avoid the mistakes. Now here square is given. If a square is given, so you square the length or you square the radius. So 3 square means 9, 6 square means 36 equals to 210 over x. Cross multiply, you will get 9x equals to 210 times 36. Divide both sides by the 9 and you will get 210. Okay, so you will get 340 centimeter square. What is this? This is the surface area of shape B. So this is 340 centimeter square. Now the second thing is they are asking you to work out the volume of shape A if the volume of shape B is 1200 centimeter cube. Again, write down the same thing. Let me choose the red color. So A over B equals to 3 centimeter. The radius we are writing 6 centimeter. This is given to us. The volume of A is not given. So I am writing here A as it is, or V you can write, or X you can write, up to you. And the volume of B is given. Volume of B is 1200 centimeter cube. So here the cube, so it means you have to take the cube of the length. So 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27, over 6 cube means 216 equals to volume of the B over 1200. Now cross multiply. As I said that always try to keep the unknown value on the left hand side. So multiply the V with 216 to make our lives easy. I am writing on this side. So 216V equals to 1200 times 27. Divide both sides by 216 to get rid of this 216 and directly find the value. So it is 1200. Write down in the calculator 1200 times 27 divided by 216. It gives us 150 centimeter cube. 150. So it is 150 centimeter cube. So the volume of the shape B is 150 centimeter cube.